Thank you, Alexa. I heard a snort. Somebody snorted. If she snorts, she squirted, so watch out. They know. Everybody be snorting, they be squirting. That's real shit. You can Google that shit. But yeah, I'm single. Feel like I shouldn't be single. I got a great resume for another sport. They just squirt all over the place. She can't help it, goddamn. But no, the grocery store is so convenient. One of my old ass ringtone right there. She's still playing pong and shit. You know that shit? The ball we just bouncing around. That used to be my favorite game, bro. My little flip phone I had that